Hello students, today we learn your chapter 3 playing with numbers for operations. In the maths, the word operation is in regard of the algorithm. Algorithm means the algorithm is a step by step we solve the problem. Yes, for example in the simple way, when you make a cake, then how you follow the steps one by one. When you collect the ingredients, then proper amount you take them and mix well, then you start the other steps. Yes, this way in the maths also we follow the different step, and if I miss any simple one or two steps, then what in your example of cake, the cake will not make proper. Yes, so same way in the maths also, if you skip any single steps, then you will not find the proper answer. So same way here we will study today that four operations, that addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. First we will see the addition. In the previous class also that you will learn the addition up to 5 digit, 6 digit. Okay, so in this year your chapter number 1, that place and place value you learn, that 7 digit, yes, and the bigger numbers. So related with the first chapter, this is your third chapter, that bigger number we learn the addition, then after subtraction. So let me start first addition. Yes students, let me take one example of addition. This is the 7 digit addition. So for first step you follow that whenever you add the larger number, you keep in mind that the place should be written in a proper way. Don't mistake it like the 3 plus 5. Okay, so this way systematically and put the sign plus. So let me start addition. 3 plus 5, 8, 7 plus 8, 15, 5 will come here, 1 is carry forward, 200 place, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 5 plus 6, 11, 1 is carry forward to which 10,000 place, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 0 plus 2, 2 and 6 plus 2, 8. Now put comma in the interval. So how we read this number 8291,358? We read as 82,91,358. And students, whenever you do the practice at home with the large number, that time you just try and practice for the reading this number. So 60,45,173, we add 22,46,185. We found the sum of these two digit number. The sum is 82,91,358 as an answer. Now let's see the second example. Here we read as 12,74,538. We add with the number 63,82,714. Now let me find how the sum of this. 8 plus 4, 12. 1 is carried forward to tens place. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. 2 is here, 1 is carried forward to 1000 place. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 5 is here, 1 is carried forward to left place. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 1 plus 6, 7. So put the comma and read the sum of these two numbers. When we add, we found the sum as an answer 70,57,252. Now we see when here the two numbers are we add. If three number we have to add, the larger three number, group of three number we add, then how we do it? Let me see. Yes students, this is three group of number like 68,56,213 add with 40,38,367 and add with 16,27,392 and find the sum of these numbers. So let me find. First of all, what is the first step? Let me arrange this number on their proper place. So then start add 3 and always don't forget the sign of addition. 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. So 2 is here, 1 is carry forward on 10's place. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 9, 17, 7 is here, 1 is carry forward, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 6, 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 7, 21, 1, 2 is carry forward, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 2 is here, 1 is carry forward, 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 6, 15. 1 is carry forward, 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 1, 12. Now let me see. Are some of these three groups of number that we add, we find the sum as answer 1 crore 25 lakhs 21,872. So this is our answer. Whenever you write the number, keep in the mind that you arrange on the place value. Okay. So then after we find the correct value of that number. So we add this, we read as this number is 1 crore 25 lakhs 21,872. Now students, we do the practice for this subtraction. Student, now let me see the subtraction of bigger number. Here 52 lakhs 95,373, we subtract that 8 lakhs 22,024. Here the 8 lakhs and here 52 lakhs. So this 10 lakhs place should be empty. Yes, we should not write anything. So we understand that the value is 0. Now let me start. 3 minus 4, not possible, we borrow from the tens place. So 13 minus 4, 9, 6 minus 2, 4, 3 minus 0, 3, 5 minus 2, 3, 9 minus 2, 7, 2 minus 8, not possible, plus 10, so 12 minus 8, 4 and 4 minus 0, 4. We put the comma, plus 44 lakhs 73,349. So what is that? We find the difference. When we subtract 8 lakhs 22,024, then we find the answer is 44 lakhs 73,349. Now let me do the one more example. 44 lakhs 98,632 subtracted 32 lakhs 1,055. 2 minus 5, so 12 minus 5, 7. not possible. Again we borrow from. So this is 10 means 12 minus 5, 7, 6 minus 0, 5 minus 0, 5, 8 minus 1, 7, 9 minus 0, 9, 4 minus 2, 2, 4 minus 3, 1. So this is the difference between to this number. We find as the answer 12,97,577. So this way you do the practice and you will find the answer easily, because you learn already the 5 digit, 6 digit subtraction. So this is also easy way. Just keep in mind while you are subtracting or adding, just when you put the numbers, that time you be careful that the place of that number should not be changed. Otherwise we find not the proper value. Now let me see the next step is our, when in the question the addition and subtraction they give the both together, then how we will do.